I hear the sounds of a shovel swinging. That's a really cool house. Wow! It's gonna get smoked. That's a cool house. Here's our truck. Wow, that is huge. How's it going? Look at this. Boom! Big old laneway. Look at that. Yeah. Wow, what a beautiful cold morning. When I say cold, it's cold for this time of year, but not in like the grand scheme of cold for Canada. Normally we get minus 40 in the wintertime. This morning it's minus 4. You can see your breath. We got to do a little bit of float moves on a Saturday here, so we're prepared for Monday. I got to bring the 308 down to where the 170 is, then the 170 down to a new job. So we're going to do the old switcheroo on a Saturday. And that air dryer is fucked. Supposed to have an extra hand helping me this morning, but they didn't show up. But no big deal. We carry on. That's why it's important to be self-sufficient. Growing up, I was always told, you know, you got to be able to do stuff by yourself. Don't rely on other people. Okay, we gotta fire up the 308 and put it on the trailer. Now the trailer's a little frosty, and just a little tip, safety tip, because I'm feeling like a nice guy today, letting you guys know. When your deck's frosty, it can get saucy. But seriously, when there's frost on your deck, it's super slippery, so don't be on an angle and take your time. Off. We're bringing this, poor counterweight. We're loading up the 170 to bring her down to the other job. Andrew came in, gave me a hand this morning. I appreciate that very much. Beautiful fall day. back up the truck, chain her up, and we're on the move. Woo! Bye.
All right, that's the last of her.
This job that we're unloading it on right now was the first project that we used the B8 cat hammer on our 308 8-ton.
This is coming back now. We got to build the grate up on this house and backfill it. I'll show you guys here the grate. It's got to come up a lot. We're going to need a lot of material. Got to watch out for these power lines. So we're going to be able to use majority of this. This is some of the really good material, but if you guys remember, it was a really rocky site. So we're going to be using this stuff in here,
as well as having our triaxles trucking in 2-inch and stuff like that, and cleaner material to backfill around the house.
But if you see that red line there, that's the grade. That's like 9 feet up, 8 feet up. So we got to really build this up. It's going to be like here.
It's going to be basically higher than where I'm standing, even like higher than my head.
Yeah, all the grade along there. This is the garage. I'm assuming we're going to be either filling it with sand and packing it or clear stone.
I prefer using clear stone because then you don't have to pack it and then you don't have settlement over time. But sometimes people like saving a little bit of money and putting sand in, but you gotta get a big 750 or 1,000-pound plate packer, diesel plate packer in to pack it in lifts so that you don't have settlement and you have to pour water to it. But we'll see what the homeowner wants to do, or the contractor rather. I'll sweep this off. You want to back up? All right, back to the yard. You got a copy on me there, Andrew? All right, you guys remember on the last video, whenever the 08 triaxle, oh, fuck. I'm being 100% real right now too. This is so fucking frustrating. The 08 triaxle about a week ago blew an airbag. We were down, had to go get it fixed, cost whatever, downtime, parts, labor, whatever. It was an old bag. Shit happens, I get it. Then we got diesel, what we assumed was diesel in the engine oil. We took it to the Western Star dealer. They said there was nothing wrong with it. So I guess me and Andrew were crazy and we just don't know what we're looking at. So we went and picked it up last night, Sunday night. Andrew went and picked it up. So we were trucking, using it this morning. Everything's awesome. We're hauling, you know, material to this job that we're backfilling. And then Andrew just sent me a message. I was on the phone having another meeting. And then I got a picture sent to me. I'll put the picture up here of an airbag sitting on the ground. And I called Andrew. I said, that really sucks that we blew another airbag. And he goes, no, it's not another airbag. It's the same airbag. Bang?
Yeah. I was like, is he done?
Yeah, because we had issues with it before, Andrew thought that the truck completely blew off. Okay, so it's the other side. Holy. What's this mark from?
That's from the airbag.
That's the airbag dragon? Okay, yeah, so it's this side. Yeah, so it's the same one. Is that where it blew? And then
back there, and then I pulled over and she started dragging.
Holy shit, did that dig in, eh? Oh my God, man. Oh, there she is. Yeah, she's dragging. Well, that sucks. Okay, well, turns out, I guess, because when it broke, the whole mounting bracket underneath got bent, so we got no lift axle right now, but Andrew's gonna hop in the 170. We got all this kind of backfilled and graded. Jesse's gonna work alongside of the house, and then Andrew's going to finish the laneway with the 2-inch and then import 10 mil clear, and then I can head back to the office, freeze me up. You know the funny thing about this video is it's about the airbag, but the airbag ended up being a really quick, easy fix. Still completely sucked. We were down. and I still don't have the truck. I guess it ended up, whenever it was in the shop, our mechanic called me last night at like 5:30 and he's like, you know, you need a rad in this too, right? And that was just like the cherry on top of the cake. And normally my videos are super positive, and I mean, like, hey, at the end of the day, everyone's healthy, everyone's alive, everyone's whatever. Parts can be replaced. It's the cost of doing business. I just feel like it's been so much with this truck. But on a positive note, to end this video real quick, if you follow along a lot, then you will know that I'm selecting 10 people to be on the backhoe bucket. Now, by the comments, like, I'm gonna announce it in another video, but it's pretty obvious what color it has to go, which I knew you guys were gonna do that to me. I think it's hilarious, and there's gonna be a cool little fundraising kind of money giveaway campaign thing. I don't forget, like a donation thing because of the color. We're gonna select the 10 random names right now that are gonna be on the bucket, and I'm gonna put them here. Just so everyone knows that I'm doing this legit, I just picked the first one. It's Wolfram. Probably could not have been a better name to put on the side of the bucket. Wolfram. Shout out Wolfram. And thank you for over like almost 800 comments on the video. So I have all of my subscribers up to that date that subscribed. And I'm just random generator. We'll pick the next one here. Owen Keekman. Congrats to all you guys, and first and foremost, thank you so much for supporting. And again, I can't say it enough that the reason why I do these videos is because you guys watch them, so thank you. Lots of more cool stuff to do. I'm trying to think of some bigger giveaways, bigger stuff that no one else is doing on YouTube. Just get bigger and kind of crazier with it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, airbag deployed. Why airbag deployed? Well, that airbag sure did get deployed today when it just completely blew out of that housing. So if you guys watched the entire video to the very end, comment down below, airbag deployed. I appreciate you guys. As always, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.